All right, so this is what you see in here is what's called fennel seed and a little bit of Italian seasoning. This is just a tiny bit for what's going to actually, affect this whole pot of chili. But again, this is kind of some of the non-traditional stuff that I like. I remember the first time I had chili. My mom always fixed chili, whatever. Grandma fixed her chili a little bit different way. Um, the first time I had chili, my dad fixed. He added sausage to the chili. So it's just a different way sausage fries up. And then obviously some of the ingredients in sausage is fennel seed, a little bit of Italian seasoning. So my intent with this is to just show you, I'm gonna kind of not necessarily just pestle like you would do in a mortar and pestle, like break down the seed, but I'm gonna kind of break this seed down some and add it to one of my vegetable fries just to kind of try to infuse something that maybe is similar to a um, a sausage type essence. Because as I keep saying, with these dishes, with these vegetable dishes, vegan style dishes, you're not leaning so heavily on the flavors that are in meats that we just take for granted. A lot of times meat has flavors in it that you don't even realize it's in there because somewhere along the line maybe it was seasoned if it's sausage, or just the flavors that's in meat and the marbling of the fats and all these things. So when you're doing vegan dishes, it doesn't have to be boring. And again, I'm not making a recipe video or being like some expert or whatever, but I do mess around in the kitchen and I do definitely love food. And I'm not in a rush to create dishes. I like to take my time and try to kind of figure out how to get what I want out of it because it's my creation and you should feel the same way. So this is just one idea. Add a little bit of the fennel. I'll kind of smush it and break it down a little bit and kind of open it up. Throw it in with some of the fried vegetables, and when it gets into the pot and cooks as the chili, it'll be something that'll be noticeable, but people won't quite know, like, what is that? It's something familiar, it's something reminiscent. What is that? And so these are the little secrets that you hopefully can add to.